Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin shared drives in OneDrive for quick access. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Head over to onedrive.com and sign into your account using your Microsoft credentials. This will give you access to all your files and shared drives in one central location. Once you've signed in, wait a moment for the login process to finish. You'll be automatically directed to your OneDrive dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. Now we can get into the actual process of pinning those shared drives. From your dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. You'll notice a quick access section there, which is where all your pinned items will appear for easy navigation. Below this section, you'll see a link that says More Places. Go ahead and click on it to expand your available locations. After clicking More Places, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the frequent locations you're working with. This includes things like SharePoint sites, document libraries, and your team's communications. For this tutorial, we're going to use Microsoft Teams as an example, but the process works similarly for other shared locations as well. Look for the Your Teams section in the list that appears. Click on the name of the team you want to pin. This could be any team you're collaborating with, whether it's for a specific project, department, or communication group. Once you click on it, you'll be able to preview all the files within that team collaboration space. Now here's the important part. Look at the top portion of your screen and you'll see an option labeled Pin to Quick Access. Click on this option and the shared drive will be instantly pinned within your Quick Access section. This is what makes the whole process worthwhile, as having your most frequently used shared drives pinned here makes it significantly easier to navigate between different projects or communication methods without having to search for them every time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully pinned a shared drive to your OneDrive Quick Access, streamlining your workflow and saving yourself valuable time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.